Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Spela Hernandez and I'm a licensed esthetician and a holistic skincare developer. Popular topic that I want to talk to you about is the vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is a very important serum that everybody should use during the daytime because it provides a lot of different benefits. There's a lot of different vitamin C serums out there. Some of them don't do too much and others are very good and quality products. I want to focus on our Spalina Complex Vitamin C Serum that is your ultimate free radical scavenger, a potent antioxidant that will protect you from free radicals, right? As we mentioned before. What it does, it brightens the skin. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It has glutathione and gold in it that provides the supercharged of this vitamin C serum. And it has some marine fermentation for the glow that it gives you. So what does this all mean? Okay, so vitamin C has to be always stable. In order for it to work, to do the job that it's supposed to be doing, has to be stable. There's a lot of unstable vitamin C's out there that don't do anything. So how would you know that? Is very simple. If you really want to do like a little test at home, you can put a drop of vitamin C serum on an apple that's cut in half, and you will see if the apple will oxidize or it will stay the same. That will give you a very simple explanation whether your vitamin C is stable or not. You always want to have a stable vitamin C because when it's stable, it means that it's not missing electron, that it's trying to be replaced in our skin chain to protect you from free radicals. Vitamin C is a very good serum and it should be applied at the end of your serum regimen. So if you are using other serums before, this goes the last. Think of it as an umbrella that is protecting the skin before we put on moisturizer and SPF. It's very important to use it during the day because the daytime is the time when the free radicals are active, right? Some people use vitamin C at night too. Nothing's wrong with it. It won't cause any harm, but sometimes the benefit won't be so great unless you're fighting other issues that vitamin C just adds to your healing in your routine. You use it at night. Otherwise, I will always advise you using during the day only. How to know when you're buying a good quality vitamin C? A good quality vitamin C usually is not going to be cheap. It's not going to be super expensive, but it's not going to be cheap either. If you're getting a vitamin C serum that costs $15, $20, that is usually not stable vitamin C. I have heard people telling me that they even have had bad experiences with vitamin C, that it burned their skin. So what that means is it's too acidic, right, for your skin, and it's just causing a problem. So that's definitely not something beneficial for you to use. So if you need advice, reach out to your esthetician. We are here to help as well. But don't buy skincare based on the price range. Always do your research, buy quality products, build slow, but use quality stuff. Don't just buy stuff that's all over everywhere. I know it's overwhelming, but it's very important to know what you're using. So we're gonna link in the video the webpage where you can purchase our complex vitamin C that is really, really highly potent, very popular amongst our clients, my favorite definitely. In addition to vitamin C, like we said, it has glutathione and gold for extended release and to supercharge the actual product. It gives you an amazing glow, and it goes at the end of your serums and before your moisturizers. A lot of men don't like to use moisturizers, but this is the product that they apply on during the day because it gets just absorbed into the skin, and it doesn't give them a feeling of something heavy on their face. Very important to use vitamin C for people that have any kind of hypo or hyperpigmentation, because this is an important product that will prevent you from acquiring more damage. Anybody who wants to lighten the skin, who wants to prevent brown spots, who wants to prevent the aging process to get out of control, who wants to work on their fine lines, wrinkles, this is the product you need every day. Very important to apply at the end of the serums. Rain or shine, every day should be used. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when the new video is out, and share the information with your friends and family, whoever can benefit from some skincare knowledge.